Okay, 7th grade, I'm going to work on the practice test now. Number 1 says the ratio of sailors to pirates was 18 to 17. If there were 133 pirates, how many sailors were there? Since it starts out with a ratio, you want to do a ratio box, which would look like this. Remember, the first column is your ratio, the second column is actual count. Let's do sailors to pirates in that order. The ratio is 18 to 7, so it would look like that. 133 actual pirates means that we put the 133 there. And there's two different ways we can do this. We can do cross multiply, 18 times 133, and then divide by 7. Or we can see if 7 goes into 133. And it goes in there 19 times. So then we'd multiply, since that's times 19, we can multiply the 18 times 19 to find out how many sailors there were. That. So we'd have 342 sailors. Okay? So that's your answer. Alright, on number 2 it says Don ran a 400-meter race 3 times. His fastest time, I'm going to write that down, was 51.3 seconds. And his slowest time was 53.9 seconds. Now he did this 3 times, so he has this middle time right here that we don't know. Okay? Now it says his average time was 52.4, and we're going to try to find that middle time. So we have 52.4. This is that thing that I've showed you guys where we have number of numbers out here, and then averages on top. Inside is your sum of all of the numbers, and remember you always multiply these two to get this one. We know the average is 52.4. We know the number of numbers is 3, because fastest, middle, slowest. So to find the sum of all 3 of these, we can multiply these two to find out. So 52.4 times 3 gives us 157.2. So that's how much all of them add up to, the sum. Okay, so 157.2 is for all 3. Now since we know the fastest and the slowest, we can add those up to find the middle one. Okay, so that's 12, 4, 10. So we have 104.2. So if we take that away from our total, we'll find out that that middle time is now 53 seconds, which makes sense because it's in the middle. And that's the answer. So remember that number of numbers goes into the sum, and the answer is the average. So if you have the average and the number of numbers, you can find out how much they all add up to by multiplying. Okay, on number 3 it says, a 1-year subscription to a monthly magazine is $34.20. So that's for 1 year, which is the same as 12 months, right? The regular newsstand price is $3.35 per issue. That's for each one. How much is saved per year? We want to know how much is saved for every year by paying the subscription price. So this is for 12 for a year. This is if we bought it off the newsstand each month. So let's find out how much it would cost if we bought it off the newsstand for the whole year. So if I multiply that times 12, that would be like if I went and bought it every month at the newsstand, this would tell us how much we would pay for the whole year. So we have 10, 6, 7, 6, 5, 3, 3. Adding that up, we'd have, it's 10, 2 decimal places over. So we pay $40.20 per year if we bought them off the newsstand. Since it's $34.20 per year, if we bought a subscription, we can subtract that to find out that we are saving $6 every year by buying it by a subscription instead of off the newsstand. Okay? All right, on number 4, I have to show you the picture on this one. It says segment AB is how much longer than segment BC? Well, AB goes from the beginning to right there, and so AB is 2 1/4 inches. BC is from the 2 1/4 to the 3, so that segment right there is only 3/4 of an inch, okay? And you want to know how much longer is this one than this one. So the way we would do that is just subtract. And so we borrow from here, and we'd have 5, and so we'd have 1 2/4 of an inch, which would equal 1 1/2 inches. Okay? And that's the end of this video. I'll start again on number 5 in the next one.